cracker, honey cracker.
So this is the...
Rum ball.
These are rum balls.
One cup of the walnuts.
Okay, so you took graham crackers.
See, today I have the bag. Let me show you.
Oh, that actually is a cup. Okay.
See, this is the
Okay.
honey cracker.
Okay. So you crush that up, and
Yeah.
then you grind the nuts.
The nuts, and that's 1 cup.
One
of
cup
the
of that.
nuts.
Okay.
1 cup of the nuts, 1 cup of the honey cracker, and 1 cup of the para sugar. One cup of the para sugar. Three tablespoons
Is that cocoa?
the what you call the cocoa.
Okay.
Three tablespoons of cocoa. One cup the rum. Okay, and then you measure all together.
Mix it up.
You measure all together. Deal de ketamine in the this. Deal de ketamine all together.
So you just threw in more sugar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because you see yourself as the dough, so they get nice. Can you be able to make a little ball?
You gotta go by feel. You can't just maybe not have exact measurements. You just gotta you gotta know, right?
Yeah. See, they're not going to be too soft. See, you try to make everything together. Did you see how they smell good? They smell
Yeah.
wrong.
Yeah. Don't eat rum balls and drive.
Yeah. Make it like a ball. See, nice round.
So you get your hands wet. Looks like you could because
they're gonna be wet. I can see they come smooth.
Okay.
Yeah, they have to be. Yeah, they have to be wet. Yeah, see. And you put the one you put in the pan. Give a little couple inch space. Because they don't get it together.
Okay. Where did you learn to make rum balls?
Oh, I like I made it, what you call, friend of mine. Friend of mine. My friend, she was the best friend, I have.
How long ago was this?
This we're talking about, 55 years ago.
Was it here or in Italy?
Huh?
Was it here or in Italy you had this friend?
Yeah.
Which, in Italy or
Over here.
over here? Oh, okay.
Over here. Yeah, this is rum ball. What you call, the one that we make the other time, what they call,
Buckeyes.
oh, the Buckeyes, yeah, all that. And the one I was over here. Yeah, see? He make a yeah. A roll deal they get nice and smooth. It's really easy to make. Because that's what I say. This is the kind that you're not going to put them in the soap.
Okay.
Yeah, see? Yeah. Now, you want to see, I can say you make a more short to this. I can dip them in white chocolate.
Yeah. Did you always dip it in white chocolate? So you could either leave them like that or
Yeah.
dip them in white chocolate. Now, for white chocolate, you need your double pan,
You need to
right?
double the pan
And you
to
need
put
the
it
white
on.
chocolate. Where do you, is that where you get at Party City or whatever?
Yeah. See, the first I need to say, you want to dip in the chocolate. You have to put them you have to put them in a 24-hour, in the refrigerator.
You have to, okay, so you have to,
Yeah. Say you make like this, you have to put them in the refrigerator, and you can keep them long as you want.
okay.
Yeah, you can keep them long as you want. But say you want to dip in the chocolate, then they're going to be 24 hours in the refrigerator, and then you can dip more easy. See? See, like that, like this, it's way too soft.
Yeah.
Yeah, did you see with the chocolate?
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Did you see how they look?
Yeah.
Yeah, they look more fancy.
When did you start doing it with the white chocolate?
This year,
Yeah.
yeah, this year, the usual, that's what I said. Did you see? And who flavor, you know, the one you buy. And with that chocolate flavor, for me, that's 100% more better. Yeah, look. Yeah, did you see? Yeah, look at the different they look, Joe.
Yeah.
Between a minute. See, the white, chocolate. You know, the cocoa che you pour them?
Yeah.
Che they turn the chocolate. Look, I mean, puree they look.
Yeah.
They look more puree, and the flavor, it's a different flavor. I mean, it's more. I know okay, people they're gonna like it more better with the chocolate, with the plain.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
If your father say you like more better with the chocolate.
Wow. For him to say something nice, it's a pretty big accomplishment.
Yeah. Oh God.